The world-class chemists at NCL harnessed nanomolecular materials with proprietary ingredients to produce a one-of-a-kind hard surface coating. Shield Nanomolecular Coating and Enhancer adheres to ceramic and porcelain surfaces when other coatings won't. It also works great on other hard surfaces, including granite. Achieve superior results in both appearance and protection. Along with producing a high gloss, enhancing the surface color, and removing scratches, Shield improves slip resistance and creates an invisible and odorless protective layer that prevents staining to keep your floors looking like new.